Hey guys, so in my first video you've seen me do this ace. It took me about an hour, but on the video I managed to get it on about my 10th try. You've seen me laugh at this master lock, which was ridiculous. I actually managed to rake it open off camera later on. I might do that later if we have a chance. I'd like to have a go at this Squire LN3. It's like a suitcase padlock. It's quite small, fairly standard keyway. I have the keys here. If I can get something to put it on. There we are. I think it's a 5-pinner. It's a very small key. Not much to go about with in there. Can't really go wrong. Yeah, so I think we'll give this a go and see how we get on. Hopefully you can see that there. Right. I laugh. It's hard to get something fitting there. Hold on a second, let me see if I can get the side of the key. There we go, that's better. I'm just going to use a 15 thou standard hook. See if we can not hit the camera. Right. Okay. Pin 3, 2. No, that's getting stuck in the keyway. It's just going to slip off from there. I'll have to make do. I was jamming up the keyway. I was wondering why I wasn't getting anywhere. Right. That's 2. Got a click on it, but I don't think he's set. There we are. It was pin 1. Right. There we are. Nice and easy. Ish. So it's get that back round there. There we are. If anyone wants this, drop me a message and you can have a play about with it, but don't know if you'd want to. It's yeah, I don't know if you can see that in there. It does look like it does have 6-pin holes there, but I think one of them's empty. Yeah, pin 4 looks smaller than the rest. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe. Yeah, there we are. Thanks for watching.